Good morning, children. Last week we were studying about James Ricci from New York and about his art called as pop art. प्यारे बच्चों, पिछले हफ्ते हमने जेम्स रिसी के बारे में सीखा जो न्यूयॉर्क में रहते थे और उनके द्वारा जो पॉप कला है, पॉप आर्ट जो है, उसके बारे में हमने सीखा था. सो टुडे वी विल बी डूइंग अ प्रोजेक्ट. आज हम एक चित्र को बनाएंगे. यू सी दिस वन. सो टुडे वी विल ट्राई टू ड्रॉ दिस वन. तो आज हम इसको बनाने की कोशिश करेंगे. So children, you see that this is in long form, long and thin, right? So the breadth is less but the length is more. So what we have to do is, first of all, we take a A4 sheet and then we will divide it into half. पहले हम एक A4 शीट को लेंगे और इसको हम आधा में काट देंगे. Dear students, today we will do something different. Earlier we used to always make the outline with the help of pencil, right? पहले हम लोग पेंसिल से बनाते थे और उसके बाद जब जो है सही बनता था कभी कभी मिटाना पड़ता था. लेकिन आज हम जो है सीधे स्केच पेन का इस्तेमाल करके जो है बनाएंगे. पेंसिल को नहीं हम लेंगे हाथ में. और आप देखेंगे ये चित्र बहुत ही सरल है, ठीक है. इसलिए कोशिश करिएगा, गलती हो गई तो भी कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन सीधे आप स्केच पेन लेकर के आप बनाना शुरू कर दीजिए. फर्स्ट यू सी द पिक्चर वेरी केयरफुली. So children, we will start from the bird which is in the middle and then we will go towards the side. प्यारे बच्चों, पहले जो चिड़िया है जो बीच में है उसको हम बनाएंगे और फिर हम धीमे धीमे जो है बाकी सारे चिड़ियों को जो साइड की तरफ है बनाते जाएंगे, ठीक है. Dear children, first of all you will also look at the proportion. You see the head part? It is 1/3 of that, the breadth of that page, na? एक तिहाई है. And then also the body part is 1/3. You see this? And also leg part is 1/3. So all the three parts are in equal size. Okay? So this thing that you have to take care. So children, we start from the middle of our page. Okay, and so first we will make the head. And now the body. And then the leg part. Okay, so this is in the center. पेज के बिल्कुल बीचों बीच में हमने इसको बनाया है. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, children? So children, now we will draw towards the right hand side. Look at the legs. Some are standing on the two legs and some are one leg. You see this one? Okay? And also see that they are overlapping. एक दूसरे के ऊपर है ना? They are overlapping. So now let's draw here. So we draw the next one. See, they are overlapping. एक दूसरे के ऊपर है. So children, so now we have made the outline. Okay? So children, now we see here the lines for the wings. पंखों के लिए जो निशानियां बनी हुई हैं उसको देखिएगा. And similarly we will also do in our drawing. Okay children? So children, one thing that we will observe is that the background, जो पीछे का भाग है, there is something, some small designs are given there, है ना? ये देख रहा सर्कल और हार्ट बना हुआ है. You see that? So that is very important because he used to always fill it. कभी खाली नहीं छोड़ते थे वो. So similarly we will also make the background. So see this children? Our background is also getting filled. Okay? So children, now we will color them, and first we will use the light colors and later on we can use the dark colors to make the design. Okay, पहले हम हल्का रंग करेंगे. So we are using here pencil. Children, I hope you remember how to color, not to change the direction. प्यारे बच्चों, हमने सीखा था ना कलर हमें कैसे करना चाहिए. एक ही डायरेक्शन में हमें स्ट्रोक्स करने चाहिए, है ना. Children, we have colored the bird. One thing that you will observe is that the place where it's overlapping, we have changed the color. We have put a different color. Okay? And now children, we will take dark color which is matching to the color which we had colored, and then we will make designs. Okay, you see the design here? See this? So we will also make similarly. Now children, see this one. So children, if you don't have this color, you can even try to use sketch pen. Okay? So children, you see the designs which have been made on different birds. तो प्यारे बच्चे लोग आप देख रहे हैं जो अलग अलग आकार जो है बनाए गए हैं चिड़िया के ऊपर. So this looks more nice, right? So it looks more beautiful when you make some designs on the top. प्यारे बच्चों, अगर आप उसके ऊपर पहले सादे रंग करने के बाद जब उसके ऊपर आप कुछ डिज़ाइन डालते हैं तो वो दिखने में और सुंदर लगता है. You see this? Now children, we will color the eyes. अब उनके आँखों को हम रंगेंगे. ये we are giving blue eyes. Okay? So children, after the eyes, now we will color the flowers and the hearts that we drew. प्यारे बच्चों, आँखों को रंगने के बाद हम जो है फूलों को रंगेंगे. So children, see, we have colored the flowers and the heart, and now we'll color the background. Okay? So children, see, now we have colored the background, and like we did with the birds, we will now do some designs. So children, now our picture is ready. So now it's your turn. So make yours, take a picture and send it to my WhatsApp number. Okay children, bye.